Hi guys, welcome back to Sips of Stillness, and today I'll show you the daily quest that resets every 3 a.m. PH time to ha. Yung mga lumalabas na exclamation points sa map when you're in Komori Village. So, just a small note, this quest don't appear agad for new players. You'll start seeing them once you reach a higher level sa game. So, if wala pa kayong makita, okay lang, just keep leveling up muna. So, once you unlocked, go to Komori Village, then open your map. There, you can see some NPC icons na may yellow exclamation point above their heads. Sila yung may mga daily quest for you. Just tap the NPC icon, go to them and talk to start the quest. Usually random tasks lang siya. Minsan delivery, crafting, minsan gather lang. Yun. So each quest has a time limit, so make sure to finish before 3 a.m. PHT. Pag di mo siya natapos, mawawala after reset. And the next day, iba namang NPC yung may mga requests. So, everyday may bago depending sa level ng character mo. Rewards are usually gold, XP, and minsan materials. So, one tip is if gusto mo mag-grind slowly, do a few quests daily lang para hindi nakaka-stress. It's a nice way to explore the village and earn while chilling. So, let's try go to the village chief's house in Masao. Masao? Not sure. Let's check. Okay, yan. So, ang quest natin is Masao's Anxiety. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung note niya. Bibigyan naman natin siya kay Shimiga. Here. Ito tayo sa kanya. Let's use yung motorcycle para mas mabilis tayo makapunta doon. Note, you cannot talk kapag naka-motor ka. So, tanggalin mo siya. And the reward is Forget-Me-Not Mystery Bag. Later, open natin siya. Pero, puntahan naman natin ba? Si Miss Kamikakushi. Yan, puntahan naman natin siya. Let's go there. So, let's talk to Lola. So, ang quest naman natin siya, kanya ay kailangan natin ng 29 na tomatoes. OMG. Puntahan natin si Kai. Tanungin na natin si Kai kung anong kailangan niya. Okay. So, nawawala ang toy ni Mameko. So, sabi southeast ng Dawnwoods. Southeast. Dito.
If you're wondering kung paano ka nalaman na ito yun siya, southeast, na-mention siya din kay Mahikay, pero you'll see it there also. Southeast corner of Tony Woods. So, wala na pala tayo.
There you go. Pick upin natin. Balik na tayo sa courtyard natin. Puntahan na natin si nanay ko. Baka naiyak na yung robot. And that's it for this short walkthrough all about the daily and easy quests that we set every 3 a.m. PHT on Mori Komori Life. Hope this helps you earn a bit more gold and XP habang chill gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more walkthroughs here on Sips of Stillness. See you next video.